Let's discuss about the basic blueprint of our nervous system. The function of a nervous system is to gather and process information, produce responses to stimuli, and coordinate the workings of different cells. The two divisions of the nervous system are the central nervous system, CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS. Neuropsychologists are the psychologists study the brain and the rest of the nervous system in hopes of gaining a better understanding of behavior. The area includes the study of the biological foundations of consciousness, perception, memory, emotion, stress, and mental disorders. Let's take a look into the central nervous system. The function of the central nervous system as a whole is to receive and analyze information, store information for later use, determine appropriate responses, and send out commands to enact those responses. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. Spinal cord is a collection of neurons and supportive tissue running from the base of the brain down the center of the back. It is protected by the spinal column. Spinal reflexes are the automatic behaviors that occur on their own without any help from the brain. An example would be pulling your hand away from a burning hot surface. Reflexes above the neck, for example, sneezing or blinking, involve the brain and are not spinal reflexes. The peripheral nervous system handles the central nervous system's input and output. It contains all portions of the nervous system outside the brain and spinal cord, right down to the nerves in the tips of the fingers and toes. In particular, the somatic nervous system of PNS carries sensory information to the brain and motor commands to the skeletal muscles. Sensory nerves carry information from sense organs to the spinal cord and the brain, whereas motor nerves carry commands from the CNS to skeletal muscles and glands. The PNS also consists of the autonomic nervous systems, which is further divided into sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. These two parts work together, but in opposing way to adjust the body to changing circumstances.